Hello everyone, my dear students of first year. You are welcome to the Maths Live channel of Sonaune sir. Today we will solve some examples on joint distribution function using our discrete random variables. So output of today's lecture to understand the concept of discrete random variables with joint distribution function. So here take that example. The joint probability function of two discrete random variable x and y is given by f of xy is equal to c in bracket 2x plus y. 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. 0 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to 3 and it is 0 otherwise. Find first question is constant c. Second, p of x greater than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 2. Third one is p of x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Fourth one is marginal probability function of x and y. And last one is also determine whether x and y are independent. So many questions we have collected in one question. No problem, one line answers are there. If it is for continuous random variable, then it is somewhat difficult to find all these at a time. But for discrete random variables, we can find using a table and it becomes easier for us. From the table, we will get all these answers quickly. Now, how I am going to decide whether it is a discrete random variable or a continuous random variable? For a continuous random variable, this word is given probability. Instead of probability function, they mention their probability density function. So you have to keep in your mind, probability density function means it is for continuous random variables, and probability mass function or simple probability function and finite values are there, then you can try for discrete random variables. But keep in your mind, for continuous there must be a word probability density function. Okay, now let us start. Here what are the values of x? X lies between 0 and 2 means what? 0 is included, 2 is included, so x has three values. What are that? 0, 1, 2. Same way y lies between 0 and 3, 0 also included, 3 also included, means y has four values: 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is continuous, then I have to take in between fractions also, points also, so there are infinite values. But for discrete it becomes easier, only three values for x and four values for y. Now make a table of values. We know that horizontally we are going to write y and vertically we are going to write x. So here I make a table of values. I will explain that table also with you. What is our function that you have to keep in your mind? C in bracket 2x plus y. So I am writing that function here also. C in bracket 2x plus y. Now we have to work on it. This side means horizontal, I am going to write y. Vertical, we are going to write x. Let us start. X and y are there. What are the values of y? Y चा value कोणता आहे? 0, 1, 2, 3. So take that 0, 1, 2, 3. And here I am going to find f1 of x. Here it is f1 of x. Means what? Marginal probability function of x. Marginal probability function of x. Then x equal to 0, 1, 2 lila. Then marginal probability function of y means f2 of y. त्याला आपण f2 of y म्हणणार आहे. Understood? Now how to find it? Simple. See, first value y equal to 0 and x equal to 0. I have to write f of 0, 0 here. F of xy means f of 0, 0 here. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. I get 0. येतं आहे का लक्षात? x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Next one. आता x ची लाईन कंप्लीट करूया. x equal to 0, y equal to 1. This value. X equal to 0, y equal to 1. X equal to 0, so 0 plus y equal to 1 and into c. So answer is C. Similar way, x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So here 2, 2c. X equal to 0, y equal to 3, 3c. Understood? And add all. या सगळ्यांची ॲडिशन घ्या. Add all. 0c plus 2c plus 3c. 0c 2c plus 3c is equal to 6c. That is your f1 of x for 0, means f1 of 0. Understood? Next, x equal to 1, y equal to 0. X equal to 1, that is 2 plus 0. So here 2c, 2c. X equal to 1, y equal to 1, 2 plus 1, 3c. Then x equal to 1, y equal to 2, 2 plus 2, 4c. X equal to 1, y equal to 3, 2 plus 3, 5c. And add all 2c plus 3c plus 4c plus 5c. So it become 14c. Understood? Now last one, x equal to 2, x equal to 2 and y 0, 1, 2, 3. करा बरं हे? X equal to 2, so 2 into 2, 4 plus 0, so 4c. Then 4 plus 1, 5c. 4 plus 2, 6c. 4 plus 3, 7c. Now add all 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, you will get 22c. Correct? Now add all this. 6c plus 14c plus 22c किती येतं बघा ते 6c plus 14c plus 22c. So you may get 42c. Similar way, add all these. बघा 0 plus 2c plus 4c 6c, this is your f2 of y. Then c plus 3c plus 5c, that is 9c. Then 2c plus 4c plus 6c, 12c. 3c plus 5c plus 7c, you will get 15c. So these are the marginal probabilities of y. Vertical जे येतील तेव्हा marginal probability. So this 6c, 9c, 12c, 15c, add all, you will get 42c. इकडचं आणि इकडचं दोन्हीचं ॲडिशन सारखंच आलं पाहिजे. Understood? So 42c equal to 1 means you will get the value of c. c is equal to 1 by 42. Because I need 1 there. 42c is equal to सगळ्या probability ॲडिशन किती आली पाहिजे? Addition of all probability is 1. So 42c is equal to 1. So c equal to 1 by 42. Get the first answer. Have you understood this table? लक्षात आलं table? Now do it. It becomes very easy. आता पहिलं बघूया. From the table, again I have to concentrate on table for the understanding of first. Second, p of x greater than or equal to 1, y less than or equal to 2. x greater than or equal to 1 म्हणजे x हा जास्तीत जास्त 1 पासून सुरू होईल आणि पुढे जाईल. What are the values of x? 1 and 2 only. So greater than or equal to 1 means 1 and 2, these two rows. And y less than or equal to 2 म्हणजे y हा 2 पर्यंत 0, 1, 2 इथपर्यंत. Yes, x is 0, x is 1, 2, this one, and y is 0, 1, 2. Correct? So these values need baga. I need these values. Addition of these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. 2c plus 3c plus 4c plus 4c plus 5c plus 6c. Here 2c plus 3c plus 4c plus 4c plus 5c plus 6c. Add all, you will get 24c. Now put value of c is 1 by 42. So you will get 24 by 42. You will get 4 by 7. Next is x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Means f of 2, 1. F of 2, 1. F of 2, 1 is 5c. 2 चा column x मध्ये y मध्ये 1 चा column. F of 2, 1. You will get 5c. That is 5 by 42. करता येईल ना पुढचं तसंच? Now actually marginal probability we have found. काढलाय ना आपण marginal probabilities of x and marginal probabilities of y. हे फक्त आता कर्ली ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहायचं. Just write down in curly bracket. So f1 of x is equal to, first one is 0, then second one is 6c for x equal to 0, then between 0 to 1 14c, between 1 to 2 22c, like that we have to write. So write in that way. Here f1 of x is equal to 6c. Put value of c, 1 by 42, 6 by 42, 6 by 42. So it is 1 by 7 for x equal to 1. Then x equal to 1, it is 14c. X equal to 2, 22 by c. If you write it, it is well and good, because we have to put the value of c. In our table, we get the answer, no problem. But here there is no value of c, we have substituted. So just here, again put the values of c and write it f1 of x and f2 of y for particular. Correct? Now you can take any value. You can take any value. Suppose I take f of 2 1, because already I have found that f of 2 1. I have found that it's 5 by 42. Now for independent, what I want? For independent, I want f of xy is equal to f1 of x into f2 of y. Means marginal probabilities of x and marginal probabilities of y, I must have f1 of x into f2 of y is equal to f of xy, correct? Now we will do it. F of xy is 5 by 42 for 2 1. Now what is f1 of 2? I have to concentrate on that. f1 of 2, f1 of 2 बघा बरं, f1 म्हणजे x ची व्हॅल्यू, f1 of 2 it is 22c, बरोबर, f1 of 2 आणि f2 of 1, f2 of 1 म्हणजे 9c. या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट केला तर खूप मोठा होईल तो 22c into 9c, 22c into 9c. बघा इथे here 22 by 42 and 9 by 42, it becomes higher, and here a simple 5 by 2. So these two are unequal, they are not equal, therefore f of 2 1 is not equal to f1 of 2 and f2 of 1, means they are not independent. If they are equal, then we can say that they are independent. Understood? Solve one more example. Here the example is a joint probability function of two discrete random variable x and y is given by f of xy is equal to cxy. 0 is less than 0 is equal to x is equal to 1 2 3, 0 नाही इथे 1 2 3, y is equal to 1 2 3 and 0 otherwise. Find constant c, परत तसंच करायचं आपल्याला. b, p of x equal to 2, y equal to 3, p of 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2, y is less than or equal to 2, then p of x greater than or equal to 2, p of y less than 2, p of x equal to 1. नंतर पुढचा क्वेश्चन आहे p of y equal to 3. Next question is find marginal probability function of x and y and determine whether शेवटचा x and y are independent. So one table is there and we will get all answers. What is our function? cxy 1 2 3 1 2 3. घ्या दोन्ही बाजूला 1 2 3 x and y. Do it quickly. y is 1 2 3, x is 1 2 3, बरोबर. cxy. So here 1 1 म्हणजे c, then 1 2 2c 3c, then again 2c, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6 into c लिहित चला ते व्यवस्थित आणि करा सर्व ॲडिशन. सो विल यू डू इट? विल यू मेक दिस टेबल? नंतर तसंच f1 of x सर्वांचे ॲडिशन, यू विल गेट 30c c इक्वल टू 1, सो c इक्वल टू 36. आता काही आन्सर्स तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली काढता येतील, बघा करून सर्व व्यवस्थित येतं आहे की नाही. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड द कन्सेप्ट? बघा आता x इक्वल टू 2, y इक्वल टू 3 मीन्स f ऑफ 2 3. x ची व्हॅल्यू 2 आहे आणि y ची व्हॅल्यू 3 आहे आणि इंटरसेक्शन किती येईल 6c. सो 6 बाय 36, सो युअर प्रोबॅबिलिटी इज 1 बाय 6. c ची व्हॅल्यू टाकून दिली 1 बाय 36. हिअर p ऑफ, नीट बघा, x इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 म्हणजे 1 आणि 2 दोन्ही पण आहे. x च्या व्हॅल्यू 2 आहेत, 1 2, एकतर का लक्षात आहे, x इज 1 2 and y इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2 म्हणजे परत y पण 1 2, म्हणजे या 4 व्हॅल्यू येतील, c 2c 2c 4c. डू इट, डू युअर कॅल्क्युलेशन. इथे बघा x इज ग्रेटर दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 2, x हा 2 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, 2 आणि 2 पेक्षा मोठा म्हणजे हे 2. y, there is no condition on y, means I have to take all y. So these are your 6 values, 2c 4c 6c. y वर काही कंडिशन नाही त्यामुळे आपण सर्व y घेणार. सिमिलर वे तुम्ही जर बघितलं y इज लेस दॅन 2 असं म्हटलंय, y इज लेस दॅन 2, x वर कोणतीच कंडिशन नाही. लेस दॅन 2 मीन्स ओनली वन व्हॅल्यू, दिस वन, and take this column because there is no condition on x. So c 2c 3c, correct. x equal to 1, परत 1 चा column like that. You just do that. X equal to 1, y equal to 3, because there is no condition on x and y, so you can do it directly. Now there may be confusion in your mind, what is this 6c 18c? Whenever x equal to 1 is there, you can check I have to take all these 3 values, means I have to take only marginal values 6c. y equal to 3 means instead of adding all this, already we have added, take this 18c. आपण केलं ना त्या दिवस. Now write down marginal probability and you will get x and y are independent. Hope you have understood it.